Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hello again. We are back again with Group 1 with our members Muhammad Himza, Muhammad Habib Azudi, that is me, and Nadia Isma Khairunisa, here to give you another topic about functional grammar. The previous group has discussed and explained about the theme and rhyme, and this time we are still talking about theme and rhyme, but the topic will be thematic progression. Thematic progression is the way in which the theme or of the clause can be retrieved or repeated from the meaning of previous theme or rhyme. It is also stated that thematic progression is the process of determining the theme in each clause has to follow. But why are we doing this? What is the function of this thematic progression? Well, it functions as a bridge. It helps in making coherent in text and structured grammar. There are three types of thematic progression according to Daines, which are simple linear progression or the zigzag pattern, constant continuous theme progression with derived theme. Now, let's discuss about the simple linear progression or the zigzag pattern. In this progression, the rhyme of the first clause becomes the theme of the second clause. So the rhyme becomes the theme of the next clause, and the process is and so on. In the text, it will be look like this. This is the example. Communication is a process of transmitting a message. The message can be delivered through oral or written expression. Through writing, people can communicate without limitation of distance and time. So, see, communication is the theme, and what goes after that is the rhyme. Meanwhile, in the second clause, in the second sentence, the message can be delivered through oral or written expression. So the message, that was the rhyme of the previous clause. And for the third sentence, through writing. Writing, it's derived from the previous clause of the previous sentence of the rhyme of the previous sentence. And that is how the simple linear progression or the zigzag pattern works.
Okay guys, I'm Nadia Isma Khairunisa. I'm going to explain about the second type of thematic progression, that is constant continuous theme. Constant continuous theme show up the theme of the first clause become the theme of the next clause. You can see first clause consists of theme 1 and rhyme 1. The second clause consists of theme 2, that is also theme 1 plus rhyme 2. Let's see the example. Lake Vostok is about 4 kilometers under a large area of ice in Antarctica. Lake Vostok is prehistoric, but until 1956, no one even knew it exists. It is a freshwater lake, and it has been hidden from sunlight for 15 million years. You can see the first clause, that is Lake Vostok is about 4 kilometers under a large area of ice in Antarctica. It consists of theme, that is Lake Vostok, and the rhyme. On the second clause, Lake Vostok is prehistoric. It also has theme, that is Lake Vostok. There is also the same theme as the first clause. And the next clause, the third, it is a freshwater lake. It refers to Lake Vostok. It means it is also the theme as the theme 1 and the theme 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Himza. Will explain you about theme progression with derived theme. Well, highlight the one general theme from which other themes are derived. The particular themes are derived from hyperthemes of a paragraph or the other text sections. The topic of each sentence are individually different, but all derived from the same overriding theme. You can see the pattern for this lesson. Dim 1 plus rim 1, and in the below hyperdim with the result dim 2 plus rim 2 and dim 3 plus rim 3. Well, the hyperdims in this lesson means it can be defined as a clause or a combination clause that predict the main pattern of the clause that is conducting the method of the text. That's the explanation, and now we come to the example. Let me read the text first. Ecuador is situated on the equator in the northwest of South America. The economy is based on oil and agricultural products. More oil is produced in Ecuador than any other South American country, except Venezuela. Bananas, coffee, and cocoa are grown there. The people are mostly of Indian origins. Several Indian languages are spoken there. The currency is called the sucre. Well, let me explain one by one. Ecuador is dim 1 and is situated on equator in the northwest of South America is rim 1, and the economy is dim 2 and is based on the oil and agricultural product is rim 2. More oil is dim 3 and is produced in Ecuador than any other South American country except Venezuela is rim 3. Like that, it is the same like the below the under sentence. When bananas, coffee, and cocoa is dim 4 and are grown there is rim 4. The people are dim 4 are mostly of is rim 4. Several languages is dim 5 and are spoken there is rim 5. I think that's all about my explanation. Thank you for your attention.